Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to update offline Google Maps on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to update offline Google Maps on our phone, first open up your Google Maps application. And after you have opened the Google Map application on your phone, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. At the top right corner, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And this kind of interface will appear where you can see the offline maps option available for us over here, just below the location sharing or just above the add your business. Tap on offline maps, and all of the offline maps which you had downloaded on your Google Maps application on your phone will be over here. Now, in order to update a certain map, at the right side of this map you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us over here. Tap on the three-dotted icon at the right side of that map, and these options will appear where you can see the update button available for us. Tap on update, and depending upon the time when you updated that Google Maps, if any new things has to be added to your Google Maps online on your phone, then the new things which were updated on Google Maps will be updated with the update we have done over here. Now you can see currently it's waiting to update. Now we will be required to wait until the update completes. And that being said guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's a settings or a gear icon available for us. Tap on the settings or the gear icon available for us at the top right corner, and at the first option here it says auto update offline maps. Make sure to turn that on or enable it if you want to auto update your offline maps over Wi-Fi, and whenever your device is connected to your Wi-Fi, your offline maps will be updated time to time. And you can see guys, I think that has been updated during our setting session at the top right corner of the screen. So let's update that again for the demo purpose. And you can see guys that that update was a bit fast, and you can also update it in your leisure. And with that being said guys, this is how to update offline Google Maps on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.